In this tutorial, we will find out how to create multiple signatures. Let's get started. To create signatures, you will need a template. If you haven't already selected and customized the template, check Choose and Edit Template Tutorial first. We will start by choosing Signatures in the main menu bar. Click Create Signature to proceed. We will enter the email addresses of all the people we are creating signatures for. When you're done, click Continue. By clicking on the template field, a pop-up appears. Select the template you wish to use. We recommend the template you customized before, then click Submit. We don't have to fill out the data for all the signatures in this step. All signature users will receive an email where they will be able to fill in their own data and insert the signature. If you still want to fill in the data yourself, press on the button I will fill in the data myself. Click on the field Data for Signature and choose User Email. Now enter the information below for the user you selected and then repeat the process for the next user. You can leave some fields empty for the signature users to fill out themselves later. Click Continue when you are done. You can optionally send email with instructions on how to insert the signature into Email Client. You can specify your own email subject and message to the email. To create signatures, press Create Signature. Email recipient has now received instructions on how to proceed, and your work is done. You have successfully created multiple signatures. If you have any further questions, leave us a comment below. For more tips like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow AdSigner on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.